how to fix Snapchat shot glitch on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So first you have to open settings of your phone, and when it's opening, just you will go to apps or application. Then you will see all the application that you have on your phone, and now you will search just for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat guys, just open it like this. And when you open it like this, you have to go to storage and go here to clear data, click OK, and back, and go to first tab, click OK. And then guys, you have to go to Play Store and you have to update Snapchat. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.